Let's hook up GoPod Officer. Get your tow ball under, and we are going to wind down the jockey wheel. And when we wind down, we come on. Okay, when your jockey wheel is basically off the ground, pull the handle out, spin it around until it's locked in there. I always put the handle on top. That means if you go through any steep driveways, you won't rip the handle off. Next step, always put this down. Always put the handle down. At the moment it's sitting up, which is where it needs to be when you take it off. But now that we've put it on the tow ball, we are going to lift that and push it down. There should be no gap. Then use the pin to double check yourself that you have put the handle down. It's just another little check. Then hook up your 7-pin flat plug to your car. Which is a little hard to do one-handed, but we will get there. There we go. That's it. And now put your chain on. It's important to always have the chain on. There we go. And we hang on a second. There we go. Secure the chain. Okay, so we have our trailer lights plugged in. We have our chain on. We have our handle down. And we have our jockey wheel up. And our gas is off. And that is the perfect hitch. We are ready to go.